In this video, we're going to talk about resources. Resources is a place where you can go and grab materials, and it's also a place that you can store your own materials. Let's start with how you can grab your materials that were given to you. So for example, I have my week of folder. When I open that folder, I see all the days of the week. You can grab this folder or this template and then just drop it in and rename it the week of. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to go to Resources, Groups, and then if you see the different campuses, you can click on your campus. You may not see all the campuses like you do here, but when I click on a campus, every campus has this week of insert date. So then I can add this to my course by clicking on the drop down to the right and choosing Add to Course. From there, I can choose what course to select. When I first do this, because the template is blank, I usually only put it in the very first class. And then I add all the materials and I can copy the whole folder with all of the materials in it to the other classes once I'm done. So I'm going to select my class. You can choose a folder, but you don't want to do that because you're creating a new folder. So I'm going to leave that as none and I'm going to choose Add. What it's doing is copying all of that information over to the course where I asked it to drop it. So when I come over here, see the week of, this is what I just copied. So now what I'm going to do is edit to rename. I can change the color of my folders. I can add any information. I can choose to unpublish or specify when I want it to publish. All of those options don't change. So once you're done completing that, click Save Changes. And then if you want, you can drag the whole folder to wherever you want it to go. I like to have my most recent at the top so it's visible to the students first. When I click on this drop down, notice all the days of the week are already included in there. So you can do that each week so you don't have to create those folders and hopefully save you some time. The next thing I want to show you is once you have all your materials in there, like this week of November 15th, if you want, you can save all of these resources. And so to do that, I'm just going to select the drop down arrow, Save to Resources. And then just like before, I can choose where I want it to go. I just want it to go in my home folder. I don't want it to go in a specific folder, so I'm going to keep that as no folder. Save Copy. So it's going to copy everything that's in there, including my daily work, assessments, activities, whatever it is that I had in that folder for the week, everything will copy. So here is what I had in my folder. If I go to Resources, here's the week of November 15th folder I just copied. When I open it, everything's there. So now that template is saved and ready to go for the following year.